I got something very special to share with you guys, so make sure you keep watching. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. There's no cost or obligation. And be very, very quiet. We're hunting rabbit. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. That 3/4 inch PVC right there is going to that 3/4 copper, going to that 3/4 gate valve. This is going to change right now. Tom,
Hey,
how's your hole?
I hear.
I don't care because it's just a job.
Yeah.